Today being the anniversary, is it the 6th anniversary? 7th anniversary of the abduction of the Chibok girls, and what Nigeria is doing, what the government is doing about it. I think the government has more than ever demonstrated its concern for the issue of the security in the nation through the town hall meeting it held in Kaduna less than a week ago. And the theme of that town hall meeting was actually setting benchmark for enhanced security and national unity. This town hall meeting was well attended with about 8 ministers, all service chiefs. The Senate leader was there. Representatives of Miyetti Allah, Pandef, traditional and religious leaders were all present. And I think what made this particular town hall meeting very unique is that even though we've started town hall meetings in 2016, and we've organized about 18 of such town hall meetings, the town hall meeting in Kaduna was unique that this is the first time that there is the panelists, both lead speakers and discussants, were actually people from the civil society organization, the private sector, and the academia. The lead discussant was Professor Jibrin Ibrahim, who is a senior fellow of the Center for Democracy and Development. Other discussants were Mrs. Ibukwan Woshika, the chairperson of First Bank, Professor Egafona, who is a professor of sociology at the University of Benin, Professor Chudi, who was Orike, a professor and also a former member of House of Reps. We also had Professor Sakanuru, a renowned veterinary surgeon. And the meeting was set up not just as a talk shop, no, but we intended people to come up with implementable solutions. We wanted the meeting to come up with a kind of elite consensus on the unity of the country, on the indivisibility of the country, and how Nigerians will be able to live peacefully. And I'm glad to say that the consensus at that meeting was one, that everybody recognized the primacy for law and order in any governance. And it was also agreed at that meeting, the consensus was that yes, while it is okay for people to ask for political restructuring, that it would take more to fix this country than to destroy it. In other words, more effort will be needed to bring the country apart than to fix whatever is wrong with it. In other words, yes, the call for political restructuring is okay, but call for secession or separation is not the answer to our problems. It was also agreed, the consensus at that town hall meeting, also that there's a need for judiciary to be reformed. It was also agreed by everybody there that our military, our security services, we need to expand them in number, retrain them, and also provide modern technology and resources for them to face the ever-emerging security challenges. Another consensus arrived was that there's need for state police, and the National Assembly should take the lead, because you cannot ask that it will be easier for the state governments to take care of their security challenges if and when indeed there is a state police. It was also agreed at that meeting that for the lasting solution to national security, that the traditional rulers should be given back their age-long roles in maintaining peace and order in their various domains. Autonomy for the local government was also agreed upon, because they're so that this will allow the local government administrators to be able to take proper control of their domains, especially areas where we now feel that it's not governed. Another takeaway from that meeting is that Nigeria must move away from the present state of animal husbandry, and we must establish more ranches, establish more grazing zone with modern amenities, and that the present system of nomadic husbandry in the long term is not sustainable. Another takeaway from that meeting was that there is need for our traditional rulers and our religious leaders to continue to encourage interfaith, inter-ethnic marriages as enshrined in Article 15, Section 3, subsection C of the Constitution. And it is we, the Ministry of Information and Culture, we are compiling this report so as to make it a council note and also share these findings with all stakeholders and also with state government. That shows how concerned we are about the state of insecurity in the country. I thank you very much.